Wait. Alright, system test. Card swipe 1. Swipe. And it runs.
Just do this 10 times?
Right, yeah, it's fine. Card swipe 2. Just says the steps have to be repeated, not in what order. Card swipe 3. Card swipe 4. Not that it matters, you can hear this thing pretty much across the building. Card swipe 5. Card swipe 6. Card swipe 7. Card swipe 8. Card swipe 9. And the final card swipe. And we're good. Alright, coin time. First coin, second coin. And it runs.
50 cents a Vend.
That's 2. And we're down to nickels and dimes. That's 3. Right now the viewers are passing out from boredom.
Yes, they are.
This makes 4. You know, I can hit the button. 5. I'm gonna just hit A every time.
Doesn't really matter what one you hit.
All right.
They're all the same price.
Now we're retrieving coins because, frankly, we don't have that much cash. We're college students. What do you expect? This represents a substantial investment for us.
Yeah, it does.
Just make sure the edge goes under. You want me to do it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Good enough for government work. All right. Number 6.
You can try B too, it won't matter.
That's fine. Number 7. This is number 8.
Do B.
Alright, this is number 9. And number 10 before my battery goes flat.
Don't press it right away. I don't have enough coins yet.
I'm not touching anything. You say when.
40. I think.
Alright. Hey, it looks like D works too. Here we go. Alright, system test passed. Everything works.